So Yoshiko, today we're cooking what looks like a very special omelette, one with lots of beautiful layers inside.
Yes, it's Dashimaki Tamago, Japan's authentic rolled egg dish.
Aha, so it's different from a usual omelette.
Yes, all of my friends love my version because of my perfect balance of egg and full seasonings. I will show you how, and using this type of pan makes it much easier.
Yes, this looks amazing. Let's begin.
First, we make the dashi broth, 2 cups of water and 1 dashi pack. Let this simmer for a few minutes.
Dashi is the base of a lot of Japanese cooking, and these packets can be found in Japanese grocery stores or online, of course.
We will only use half a cup of the broth for this recipe.
And then we add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1/3 of a teaspoon of salt, and just a 1/4 teaspoon of soy sauce. So this is your secret ratio for the perfect egg roll.
Exactly. Mix everything together well. Crack 4 eggs into a separate bowl and whisk them well.
And once the dashi broth has cooled slightly, we add this to the eggs and mix everything together well. And now it's time for the famous Japanese egg roll pan.
Ta-da! Over medium heat, add a little oil to the pan, coating the pan evenly.
And now comes the fascinating part of creating this dish, the perfect timing of the egg layering, right? I've seen that Japanese chefs can spend years perfecting this method, almost making it into an art form.
Yes, and if you watch closely now, you will learn the authentic way.
Great, okay. So when the pan gets very hot, pour a thin layer of the egg mixture into the pan, and then, as it cooks, but it's not yet fully congealed, we carefully roll it over itself with a turner to make space for more egg mixture.
And a little bit more oil, spreading it evenly to coat the pan, and then more egg mixture. And roll again to the other side.
That's how you get the lovely layers.
Exactly. You build this dish layer by layer. Once the egg mixture is fully cooked, place it on a cutting board and cleanly cut into strips with a sharp knife.
So this is a great sharing dish, and perfect as an appetizer or as a side to a main meal, or once it's cooled down, also perfect for bento and picnic box.
Exactly. Let's now eat this tasty Japanese specialty. Itadakimasu! Love Japanese food? Let's make it easy at home.
Hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and check out our website for more tips and recipes. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends.
Got questions or requests? Drop a comment. We love to hear from you. Stay hungry, stay curious.
Happy cooking!